Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Harshita Pishay here. Today I am here to talk about an important video which is on the All India Bar exam. Now firstly, why do we write All India Bar exam is immediately after you get enrolled in your specific bar councils, what we have to do is we get to write the All India Bar exam, so that we get to sign the wakalat on our own and we can take up the cases and represent. Okay, so that is the main purpose of writing All India Bar exam, and you can practice across any state in this country. Now coming to the subjects in All India Bar exam, it's supposed to be Constitution of India, IPC, CRPC, CPC, Evidence Act, Contract Act, Specific Relief Act, Transfer of Property Act, NI Act, Family Law. We have two, Hindu and Muslim law. We have torts law, we have PIL. Now we know what is a PIL. Public interest litigation is in the interest of public. So we need 10,000 signatures for public interest litigation, and this is basically like the famous cases of MC Mehta. Okay, we have MC Mehta versus Union of India, such cases. And also we have ADR, then we have administrative law, we have company law, we have environmental law, cyber law, IPR, professional ethics and accounting system. What are the professional ethics that a lawyer must follow during the profession is what we'll have in this, the bar exams. And right to fair compensation and taxation law. Now, this particular video was, to tell you what are the subjects and what books am I following, to pass the All India Bar exams all over. So I have certain books which I personally purchased, and I have certain books what I have already from my law college, so I'll be using those books also. So it's better you go through all, because these are multiple choice questions, it's MCQs, and you will be getting the MCQs, and you'll be getting, it's an open book exam. You can carry your bare axe, and also you can refer to your bare axe, but we will not have that much time in referring to the bare axe. So I am following this one book which is said to be this one, which is from EBC's. Okay, so EBC's Master Guide to All India Bar Examination. So you can see this. So this is, it contains more than 2,300 questions, and it has all the subjects. So I've categorized by putting the post-its this way, so that I can open it, and it has the most important questions here. Other than that, I did purchase some of the books for myself, because I didn't have these bare acts. Okay, so I could carry if I need them, and I'm also going to definitely read them. So that's why I purchased these books. The first thing is the Arbitration and the Conciliation Act 1996. Okay, this was priced at, I think, somewhere around 250. So I got this book for myself. This is a new book, so I'm going to read this, because this is a part of AIBE syllabus. And then right to fair compensation. Now we do have this. We have acquisition, land acquisition, and rehabilitation and resettlement act. Mainly professional ethics for lawyers. Now this is my LLB time of book, so I have been using this. And the next thing is the Muslim law. Okay, so this is the Muslim law what I own. And then we have the Hindu law. I have the new legislation on Hindu law, and this particular EBC's guide is very important. I've categorized each subject with these post-its, so that it would help you guys out, help me out mainly, to read, because even I'm yet to clear these exams. So this is what was the way I have thought I will read for All India Bar exam. So firstly, thank you for 598 subscribers. Thank you for bringing to 598 subscribers. And I know I'll have a lot of followers who follow me on this channel for to follow the how to crack your KSLU exams. The main main tip what I can give you is download the previous year question papers, and then go through your previous year question papers and write as much as possible, and write case studies. Now even though we are writing the All India Bar exam, we do have a lot of case studies, and we will have a lot of MCQs based on case studies, so we have to be ready for it. So always be at any part of law. See, now I am currently into the corporate part of law, but still there is reading there also. So there is never, you know, a stop of reading. So don't take it as an examination point of view, or don't take it as an, you know, point of view that you need to just write your exams. If you are planning to practice this profession, if you're planning to, you know, take ahead this profession into the practice industry, then you need to work really hard. And currently the situation doesn't allow us to intern, but before that we had the opportunity to intern. But still, what you can do is you can keep reading the books, and you know, maybe when things settle down, you can go for an internship, because currently the courts are not working, and almost all the cases are online, and the dates have been given online. Another thing, last semester we did have, you know, online classes for first to sixth semester. So what you can do is, I will leave you my contact number below. If you want the classes, law classes from me, I will, you know, I'm conducting Saturday and Sunday. I have few students from different colleges. I will help you out for your, you know, KSLU syllabus, for your KSLU question papers. How do you have to crack these exams and all of that. So if you like this video, please to press the like button, please to share, and if you have any queries, you can, you know, contact me on my, you know, WhatsApp number, so that it will, you know, we can interact there, and maybe we can take it further. I am planning to restart the second semester classes for this, you know, the students who I was teaching the first semester. Luckily the first semester one batch is over, so I've taught one batch of students. The second semester will be started maybe very soon. So if you are interested in those classes, you can, you know, contact me, and it will be conducted on Saturday and Sunday. So this video was purely on All India Bar exams, what kind of books you can use for All India Bar exams, and these were the books. This is mainly a very nice guide, because it has almost all 2300 questions in here, and you can, you know, you can carry only this book, and you can go, or you can carry almost all the bare acts. This is an open book exam, so be confident enough, you can do it well. So anyways, all the best to all the people who are going to write All India Bar exams like me. So if you like this video helpful, or if you like this video, please to press the like button, and please to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.